I'm gonna use this fabric that I cut before for an unknown reason. Take your tape and measure the distance between your nipples. That is the circle's diameter. Mark that on your fabric. For making a perfect circle, you can use a plate or a ball if you don't have one of these. Make sure to cut it with 1 or 2 centimeters extra space. According to this list, choose the width and height of the triangle. Make 5 triangles. Make sure to cut with leaving 1 centimeters for the hem. For hemming the triangles, fold the tip inward before folding the sides, then sew them from this point to the other. Hand sew on the circle mark so you can see it from both sides. Place the circle flat with its right side facing you. Then place the top triangle. We don't need to follow the circle edge, just place it as it is and sew it straight along the width of the triangle. I suggest you to hand sew them all first to make sure about the placement. Place the second triangle right beside the other, just with a different angle. Repeat the same process for the other one. The 2 bottom triangles should be adjusted so that the angle of their intersection is wider than the others, because this part will be pulled backwards when the top is worn. For the straps, I cut 5 triangles with a width of 4 cm and a height of 20 to 25 cm. You can change the numbers to your desire. You can also use a ribbon instead of this. That would be really pretty. I don't have access to ribbons right now. I'm gonna do this. Grab a string and place it on the strap fabric. Fold the fabric around the string and sew the side. Then pull the string out and turn the strap inside out to get to its right side. Honestly, this was a suffer for me. Fold this part slightly inside and sew it so it won't fray. Find the upper triangle and fold the tip and stitch it. Then thread the next strap through it. Place the other straps and sew them this way. Easy, and you're done!